So what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing this the sick trick list by Spanner 9. So see how much we can do. Today we got Thomas Ashfield, special guest. Let's have some fun. We also got Marcel
Smith.
Okay, so we're gonna go for the beginner and the intermediate as quick as we can. We're just gonna get, they're already ticked because like, we did this video before but it was rubbish, so we're doing it again. But alright, I'm gonna shout the tricks and Ben's gonna do them flat in a line. Bunny hop, 180, one hander, bar spin, no footer, tail whip, X up, 360. What? Right, I'll do the 360. 360. Oh, you could. Oh, this next one's for you. Right. Tire tap. Yeah. Fakie and a heel whip. Fakie and a heel whip in the front? Nah, just a heel whip. Okay. We are so far with beginners. Right, now the intermediate. First one is a bar or a whip. What? A bar whip or a whip bar. You do the bar. Okay, there we go. Next we got a triple whip in intermediate. We got the second trick. Triple whip. Oh my god, I nearly failed. Jesus. Okay, got bar twist next. Ben's gonna do that.
Where is Ben?
Right, do you want to do a kickless? Next is a kickless. Then we got a manual and then a bry, so I'll just do a bry and then I'll do a manual. Not in one trick. But bry to manual? Nah, I'll just do a bry. Okay, there we go. Running through this. Okay. Hang 5. That's Ben. That is Ben is at a hang 5. Oh my god. Okay, there we go, hang 5, inward. I'll nominate Veb, because I'm not doing that. Next is a 360 whip, a 360 bar or a decade. He'll do a 3 whip, Ben will do a decade, and I'll do a 3 bar. We got 2 more in the intermediate. We got a finger whip and a whip rewind. So, should I just do it quick time? Flat. Yeah, we'll do it flat. Do you finger whip flat? I can't finger whip flat. I'll try. I'll do a finger whip flat. Okay, we'll do it flat. Okay, now Ben's gonna do a finger whip. Oh. Counts. Now, I'll do one more. Right. Yes, okay. We've now graduated as intermediate scooter riders. Now, let's see if we're advanced. Okay, first we got bar. That's 3 bar spins. Right, Ben's gonna do the triple bar. Oh, Ben! Wait, there's a quint whip as well. You want to quint whip the wood, then triple bar resi? Okay. Right, oh, he's gonna quint whip the wood, then triple bar the resi so we get it in a line. Next on the advanced agenda, we've got a triple whip bar and a buttercup, so I'll do those in a line. And then, yeah, a triple whip bar and a buttercup, I'll do those in a line. We'll do this side. Kickless to the front. Kick in the front. Yeah. See, we're getting 2 done at a time, so we're going at twice the pace of the average human. Yeah. I don't know if that's 2 or not, but I seem to be learning Spanish. Right. Oh god, I can't do any of these now.
Which ones?
Right.
What's next one?
Next we got a foot jam and a spanner flip. Alright, can you foot jam? No. I'll try a foot jam and then Ben will do the spanner flip because he's the only one here that can do them. There we go, foot jam, done. Ben just got to land his spanner flip. Yo. That's such a confusing trick, what the hell? Next, we have pro level. A 720.
Stop moving.
This is my little mugger.
Bye bye.
Right, we'll get him doing the 720. Oh yeah,
I'll try it fly
he's
it.
mugged it there, he's mugged it there.
If I do it fly it then.
Yeah, if you do it fly, it counts because you can't 720. Oh, you could do that. And as you can see, Ben just landed the 720. Right, so that was the best.
Yes!
That was the best 720 I've
That was
ever
so
seen.
fun.
Come on.
New learn everything.
Best trick.
Right, we got triple bar kickless.
What?
No, I'm joking. I don't know why I said that. Right, we got a double throw bar. That's a Ben trick. And then a flare or a backflip. I'll do them in a line. He can do a flare as well. Oh, that was 1.5.
Sketch reader.
Right, so we landed the double throw bar, clean as anything.
Yep.
We've now, what's the word? Graduated advanced school. So now we got. Oh no, it fell. But next was a bar.
A bar?
Right, we got double inward, yeah. We're not even gonna try. Wait, are you gonna try? Nah. He's not even gonna try. He's gonna hit the roof.
What's next one?
If he does it, so. And then inward finger whip.
Ben's got a high chance.
I've landed it before, right? Okay, so there's no excuses. Ben's gonna do the inward finger whip.
What's
And
next?
then there's a quad rewind. So while Ben tries the inward finger whip air, I'll try quad rewind over the wood.
Practicing the quad rewind.
That weren't that bad, so I reckon I got it like within 3 goes.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Let's go try inward finger whip. We both ready fourth go because four's one lucky number, so I'll go back. Yeah. 4 is a charm. Oh, I struggle with these tricks so much. I've literally added a whip, I don't know why. Next one. Quad rewind, ticked off, then reset of the broad butter, then Ben will triple kicky. We ain't doing this. Quad bars next, the next one I'll do, so I'll just start trying a quad bar now while Ben's still trying this. Try to get another one ticked off.
Counts. Right.
So we'll work now, we'll land it. Right, Reese is going to do a broad butter cup, and I'll do a quad bar, and then Ben's going to do a triple kick. That wasn't a bad first attempt. I reckon it's a second go, but if you watch my last video, you know I got trauma from this trip and I smacked my head in the GoPro went flying. The broad butter cup, man.
Oh.
Off bar. Yo. Oh. Oh, if it's not this go, I'm going to teleport to Greystone. Okay, well, I'm teleporting to Greystone.
I catch a move like a lot of like 2 shots.
Okay, so we quickly teleported to Greystone. I did a whip just because I felt cheeky. Right, okay. Next we got double flip or double flare. I'll do double backflip. Next is quad whip bar. I'll do that in a line. And then that one's not actually on there. Like, yeah, that one doesn't count because it's too many letters. Right, and then Ben's gonna do nothing front scoot. Yeah. Because he's cheeky, he's gonna add a whip. See that? Like, makes up for the quad rewind that does. I'm just gonna bum tap whip, then he's gonna land the nothing front whip. Oh. That's the box. No. He ain't having it. He ain't oh. He's going from there. There's no way. He's going again. First then, no. Oh, there's no chance now. Bro got angry at his wheels. This video is defeating Ben. 1 like equals 1 prayer for Ben. Well, Ben gets his breath back. Right. For pro, hold on. We've done all of them on there apart from this one because this one's not really on there, it's an illusion. God level. And I don't know if we've got the abilities to do God level at just ramps. I've done, the only one on there that I can do is this, is 8 whips. I can do that over the wood here, but I'm going to challenge myself and do it air. I'm going to teleport to creation. I'm back from creation. Pre-gossed on that 8 whip air. No, Ben just got to land his enough front whip, then we've complete pro and gone 1 into God, so we godish. Yeah, we're both hungry and have not got the energy to be doing this right now, but teleport to those skate parks helped. Yes! Oh my God, we can stop filming, yes. Okay,
Oh, Will, don't boil. So sketchy.
Okay, so after 7 weeks of blood, sweat and tears filming this video, we've completed most of the tricks. Most of them.
Which ones haven't we done? Right.
God level.
I reckon there's still some I can do on it.
What, in God level?
Nah, pro. We've done all pro. We've done all the pro. Oh, fair.
Yeah, apart from that.
Quad. Oh, yeah, it is. God level. Right. I've 8.
Put that clip in it.
8 whips, triple over it. Quint bar, quad kick. Nothing front inward. Oh, insert the clip of me doing that. World's first. Insert the clip of me doing that as well.
You better like, because like, we're in pain. And like, it was horrible.
Right, so guys, that's us done for this one. You know, put the effort in for the trickless. Thank you, Spanner 9. And that's us done. You'll see us in
The next one.
The zoo with the lions and apes and bears, you probably won't make it there. All of the ops, they say they want smoke with me.